So I'll put this one on your.
And we'll do
front hip bone
C3,
there.
C7. It's just gonna take 60 seconds to ramp up versus 10.
Okay.
What's best is what's most comfortable for you, or tolerable for you. The most intense that you can tolerate.
Tape good?
Tape's good. How's the intensity?
We can ramp up.
All right.
It just feels like a pulse to me, like just a current.
Okay, look at.
Nothing painful or anything.
You'll go here and back.
We have been utilizing the ARC-X like in our residential setting. So we're gonna transfer. Let's sit edge of bed. We worked on dressing this morning. I would really like to work on the sock aid today. We place the electrodes right over the spine, and we're really trying to just like excite the signals coming from the brain to the spinal cord.
I'm leaning back quite.
Yep, you're good. Go ahead and fix it. We're trying to flood the system so that it can kind of like prime those connections and help anything, you know, return if possible, especially with Gary. And I mean, with OT, we are always trying to pair the modalities that we're using with like a functional task. Good. Really, if anyone has an impairment, of course, in their upper extremities, even their core or lower extremities, we've really been just trialing it with everyone.
Bringing right arm up. And we're seeing some lasting effects. So even when this is not on, we're seeing some carryover of some of the skills and the things that we're able to do with it on.
That's wild. Will you guys video that for me?
We had it on and we were working on like hand to mouth for feeding. But we're past that at this point. There we go.
Nice.
That Justin really likes baseball and was a baseball coach, and has 2 young boys that are also involved in that. Something that's important that I know you want to get back to. Disconnected, good to go.
We want to push as hard as we can, and we want to be as innovative as we can. So I think having the tools like the ARC-X allows us to do that and give someone the best shot at rehab that they have.